Hi, I'm Kindra Sheehan. I'm a realtor with Block Realty North and the best Sac Homes Group. I've been an agent for about 4 years now. Local to Sacramento, so born and raised here. I got into real estate pretty much from a young age. My dad was a general contractor. He did all custom build homes, and then my uncle has been in the commercial space for about 30 years. So, just kind of grew up doing it and love it, and can't think of doing anything else. I think my clients like working with me because I'm a gladiator. So I go to battle for them every day. I'm on their side. I work around the clock, so there's no start or stop times. And I think I'm just personable. I want to make a personal connection with everyone that I work with. And for me, it's not really work. So I think they feel that connection, and they know that I will always be on their side, rooting for them and pushing for their offer. The best part of working real estate is pretty much everything. I love making connections with new people. I get to meet somebody new every day pretty much, and it's incredible. What makes me different from other agents is, again, I think that connection that I have. I was born and raised here, so I know the city like the back of my hand, so I think that's a plus as well. And again, I'm a gladiator. I'm gonna go to battle for you all the time. I will not stop until we get that offer accepted. And I worked in the hospitality industry for 10 years leading up to this, and so I really can just take any situation and I feel like make it a positive and get a positive outcome. So you can find me on social media at Kindra Sells Homes. And again, if you want a gladiator to go to battle for you, I'm your girl.